how to sell food and drink on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. And as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to be one of these sellers and how to make a lot of money yourselves. So let's start by choosing one of these products just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So for example, let's choose this product. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shop page exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your product, how to add as many pictures as you have, how to set the price of the product, how to add the description, the options if you have one, if you have any, and how to set the product details, how to add the long description, as you can see, because there is two descriptions. There is this little one and there is the long one. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's start from the first page. Let's close this page, go to the main one, click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here you have 6 steps to go through in order to set your Etsy shop. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes name in your shop, then stock in your shop, then you choose how you get paid, then you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here in the first step, you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is name in your shop. So here, let's give our shop this name, and let's remove the spaces between words and the special characters as well. Then let's make the name unique. And it seems like the name is already taken. You can choose one of these options, or you can just add a number. Then the name will be available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop, or adding some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So guys, before we proceed to add in the photos and details about our product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to at least enter the price of the product. Then comes the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these red fields. Then the last one is the shipping, and you will do the same like the listing details, just fill all of these red fields with the right information, of course. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then for the video, bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Let's give our product a good title. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then you have the category. So here, let's just type the product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. Let's choose the snacks category. And here you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. Let's go with black, the secondary color. Let's go with silver, for example. And here you choose the sustainability of the product. You can select all of them 3, or you can select just one or no one. Then you have the occasion. You can search for one in here. Then you have the renewal options. If you want to choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to go with the manual, which is free. And for me, I like the manual. Then you have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then for the description, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. You can choose one in here, or you can just close this one if you don't have any. Then for the section tags and materials, let's just skip them for later. They're all optional. Then we have the price in here. Let's give it, for example, this price. This is just an example, guys. Then we move on to the shipping. So here, make sure to fill all of these required fields with the right information. So for the processing time, let's say, for example, 5 to 7 days. And you do the same with these other information. Then you have the returns and exchanges policy. You can apply the 30 days policy, or you can just choose another one in here, or you can create your own policy by choosing what you're going to accept and what you're going to refuse. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.